Hey friends, welcome to my channel. I created one mind map about process groups and another mind map is on the way. Maybe tomorrow you will get that. That was created using mind map tool. So I had a query from multiple friends that what are the best tool available in the market where they don't really need to spend even a single penny. So I'm going to tell you some free tools of mind mapping which you can use even for problem solving, you can use for brainstorming, you can use for organizing, you can use for making a flow, you can use for understanding various aspect of learning. So mind mapping is definitely very good tool, and whatever you are thinking you can just check out on the sketch. So let me tell you some of the free mind map tools which are available in the market. You can download and use. The first one in the series is Coggle. It is producing colorful mind maps, and sharing and collaboration is very much possible with Coggle. And it supports design and dragging, and also maintains the change history like it is available in Word document like review changes. So it is available here also. You can export in PDF or image format, and you can share publicly on social media. It also works on mobile devices. So most of the tools which I'm going to tell you now, they support exporting it to PDF or image. They support collaboration. They support mind mapping, I mean brainstorming and converting into mind map. Some have dragging and dropping facility, some do not have. Some have some good features, some have some different other good feature. So let me tell you another tool. Another tool is Freemind. I use this tool. This is absolutely fantastic. It's open source. You can download and just use it. Available for Windows, Mac, and Linux. It is built on Java. That is, I mean, I would say, kind of limitation it has that you need to install Java first on your system before you run it. And it's this is the best part of this. Is sports location-based mind mapping, and it also maintains. I mean, you can use it for maintaining knowledge map, knowledge base, and create embedded links. I have used it, and you can, for example, you want to create a link here, just right click here and you create a hyperlink to that. You can embed multimedia, you can embed videos, etc. And you can export to HTML, PDF, open document, SVG, and PNG. There are multiple formats where you can export using Freemind. Text2Mind Map, it's efficient online tool. You need to log in first, you need to create your account, and then you can use it. Definitely it's very easy to use. Just type some text and it creates a map for you. Though the maps are not that much cozy, but yes, it can definitely help you for collaboration and brainstorming sessions. It also has a functionality to export to PDF or image. Next is Poplet. This is you can upload text, video, image, or draw on your canvas. This is good tool, and of course very strong as well. So you can create Poplet presentations and high resolution image you can use here. Okay, you can also embed for some websites, blog, etc. And it does SEO as well. Okay, it has associated iOS app, and I'm going to tell you some of the app available on iOS as well as on Android in the end of the video. So you just need to watch up to end. So I'm going to tell you some applications which are available on the phone. You can use it to create a mind map. Next is bubble.us. So this is online mind mapping tool. You need to register for yourself first before you start using this. And the best part of this is it automatically reposition itself to fit any new idea. Okay, and you can move the bubble. In pre-mind it is difficult. You can move the bubble, but it is not as per your wish. Wherever you feel you can just put it that, no, but in this, yes, you can do that. It has auto save feature, so accidentally you are not really likely that you will lose some information or some mind map you have created. And collaboration is possible in this. Then we have mind 42. This is also online mind mapping tool, and the strength of this particular tool is you can create multiple ideas at same level, and it also has a functionality of automatic positioning itself. It is possible to move bubble around manually. and collaboration is also possible using Mind 42. And I'm telling all these tools are free. These are free of cost. Mind map. So this is Google Chrome extension. If you are using Chrome, you can download this extension, you can enable this extension, and you can start creating mind maps on your system. And you can save this particular mind map in your local storage. You can integrate with Google Drive. There you can store. You can export the mind map to image or PDF. You can add image or you can add text. It is also a fantastic one, so you can look at that. You can also look other extensions like mindmapper, mindmap, and connected mind. These are some of other extensions which you can look and integrate it to Google Chrome. Next is Wisemapping. Wisemapping is also an online tool. It's open source. So the best part, it is open source. It exports, import and export to multiple formats like PDF, JPG, PNG, etc. The best part of wise mapping tool is it is embedded with security. If your some of the designs really need good security, you can think of wise mapping. Okay, you can invite members for online collaboration, and you can embed it for websites or blog. Freeplane, it's again an open source tool, and it also creates beautiful maps. Okay, the best part of Freeplane is it can run locally. I mean, even from a USB drive, you don't need to install in your system. Okay, so you can look for Freeplane also. This also have drag and drop functionality. You can just drag and drop the features or some images and so on, and you can export to PDF or image. Then you have Mind app. The tool is available in a browser or window desktop app. It is available on two different versions. Sports drag and drop functionality, but you need to create a free personal account, and then you can export to PDF or save as image. It is very good tool for my map. I mean, it creates very good maps. You can see like it is able to. It has a functionality to create the cloud around a single node and hierarchical node. Okay. Now these I created. I shared you free mind mapping tool. You can look for some which you feel like. However, free mind is really good. I'm using it since long. Now let me tell you, if you are so familiar with using your mobile phone and you want to create some mind map using mobile phone, then there are certain apps. So these are the app. These are on iOS and these are on Android, like MindNode, Simple Mind, Nova Mind, Maptini, Idea Sketch, Big Mind, Mind Genius, Mind Maple are on iOS. Mind Mapping, Mind Memo, Mind Map Memo is on Android. Apologies, I'm not sure whether they will ask for money or not. I hope Android should be free, but iOS may ask for some money. So this is a simple explanation about mind map tool and your requirement. As per your requirement, you can really download and use it, create your own mind map, and it will be easy for you to remember and utilize. Thank you very much for watching this.